Let's move over to the crypto market now. Well, a very quick and positive switch from a whole lot of red yesterday to a whole lot
Exactly.
of green
Yeah,
today.
from that Amazon announcement dump, the market
Yes.
has actually recovered. Now we see Bitcoin trying to break that 40K this morning. A couple of major altcoins all in the green. XRP doing really well this morning. Look at the market cap, $1.54 trillion traded up about 4.77%, and 24-hour volume is down about 10% at this morning at 8 a.m. Bitcoin dominance is inching up there at 48.57, almost getting to 50%, showing that there is some strength there with Bitcoin. Price of Bitcoin at 8 a.m. this morning, $39,861, up 7%. 24-hour volume traded in Bitcoin, $37.10 billion. We have the 1-hour chart here. We see it is quite in a midsection on the RSI chart. The MACD is looking like it wants to cross for price drop there. And we see the price heading to that middle moving average on the 1-hour chart. But it's still looking quite strong this morning for Bitcoin. Price of Ethereum, $2,280, up 3.49%. $22.11 billion traded in Ethereum. Let's bring in Rume Ofi now. Hello, Rume. Good morning.
Good morning, Larry. It's my
Good morning,
pleasure.
Rume. Well, yesterday, I see the central bank governor talked about the e-Naira and also still, maintain position about deposit body banks carrying out crypto transactions. That ban is still on. What do you think?
I think the central bank is actually doing this because of we are actually perceiving private cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others as challenging financial system. I don't think that should be the right thing. But I know all of this is the conversation that has been global, even in the U.S., we see it here, and some other countries in Africa too. But I understand their concern, but there's a way we could put all of these together because this way we are going, I don't think we have all of the capacity to manage. I don't think CBN has done enough to enlighten the citizens on how they want to go about it, and we are concerned with powerhouses here in this part of the world, which is also a major concern that can jeopardize all of these things that they are planning to do. Also, we're also looking at the point whereby there could be possible hacks if it is not done well. Then issue of privacy here and there. Imagine me transacting and people and a particular person having an idea of how the data is moving. It is not something that someone will want to get themselves into. So I'm thinking that CBN needs to engage stakeholders and see how far. But again, you don't have to see the private cryptocurrency as a competition. They should see it as an asset which will help for us to do better things in our remittance system.
And you also did mention that you can't buy the e-Naira with Bitcoin. Do you think traders are looking to do that?
I don't think I didn't get that question very well. But if I get you saying buying Bitcoin with Naira, I think the system doesn't permit for banks transacting, carrying out transactions. So it is not going to be accepted because it's already been seen as a threat by the authorities. So all of those things is what we need to come in terms of. It has to be seen as a legal tender or to see it as a digital asset. Or ordinarily, it is the Security and Exchange Commission that is that come with framework around it. And they've come out previous time, I think last year, and said that to see that this digital asset and even the Vice President said it earlier that we should create a framework. The authorities should create a framework around it so that Nigerians can tap their because it comes with a whole lot of opportunities. So I see it not be possible to allow that to happen because we want to protect what we do. But in the long term, I don't think the Gen Zs and the millennials want to claim to something that
the Gen Zs.
done by the authorities. We perceive that it's not for them.
Okay. All right, Rume, we see Bitcoin trying to break that 40K range again. What's happening in the market?
Most times people think that the market will move by, Elon Musk said, the market will move. So as I said, the market will move. Yesterday, there were there were various hearings in the U.S. About how cryptocurrency. So these guys are engaging various stakeholders to hear about how this can better help the economy. I think that's how we also need to do. But the market has a mind of its own, right? The market moves on its own terms. But one thing I always advise those that are my mentees that they should always look at the volume price analysis. Look at how the volumes are coming in, how the market is absorbing all of those volumes, and in relation to price. It's not always about the news coming up. The market has a mind of its own, and it can decide to move in a certain way. But hopefully, we are seeing the market recover from all of those shocks from the Chinese government ban on mining and some other news. And we can see that only shows that a lot of persons are coming into the market to see that this is transparent and they can do their transactions easily.
Okay. All right, Rumi, thank you so much. I will talk to you again later on. Thank you so much. All right, Ini, see our top odds by market cap are doing well in the green there. XRP at this hour trading about 73 cents, up about 70% this morning at this hour now. BNB is doing well too. A couple of green there, the Axie Infinity, that one's done incredibly well this month at $46. It was trading around $20 earlier. It's up at 17.84%, and a couple of exchange tokens up there with Huobi and OKB all up. So it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, and we hope it stays good. Because like Rumer said, that the market has a mind of its own.
Oh, yes, very unpredictable.
Yeah, so please let it continue in the green trend and keep people happy.